What's up guys, welcome to the channel and welcome to today's video where we are going to be comparing Amazon Mailer to JumpSend. So what these softwares do for you is they're going to help you guys get more organic and legitimate reviews. So that is why I'm doing the comparison, is I want to help you guys decide which service is going to be the best fit for you so that you guys can take your business to the next level and help you guys get more organic and legitimate reviews. So right now Amazon has been cracking down on basically taking down reviews because people are basically paying people to leave a review for them. And Amazon is smarter than you think. They're going to catch on whether you're getting around it right now. So you might as well do something that is 100% compliant with Amazon's guidelines, that is actually legitimate, that is going to help you guys build a Amazon business that is for the long run instead of for just a few months, okay? So let's dive into my computer where I'm going to show you guys basically the pricing difference and the different features that Amazon Mailer is going to come with compared to JumpSend and vice versa, okay? So right here, we're on AmazonMailer.com, and on their home site it says guaranteed to increase your reviews up to 8 times and reduce negative feedback before it happens. So that's on Amazon Mailer. So now let's go over to JumpSend, and it literally says the same thing. Get reviews on Amazon with automated emails. Increase your chance of getting reviews on Amazon by up to 8 times when you send targeted emails. So both of them are advertising the same exact thing, and basically what they do is when someone buys your product, you're going to have an automated email responder sequence so that when someone purchases your iPhone case or whatever you're selling, a couple hours later or when the product is sent, you're going to send them an email saying, hey, your product is being sent, it's left the warehouse, just to let you know we are here to help. So you send an email, and then when they get the product, you send another follow-up email and you say, is the product okay? Are you satisfied? And if they aren't, they're more likely to reach out to you instead of going directly to Amazon and just leaving a bad review. So you can avoid the negative seller feedback that way. And then also in that same email, you can basically ask them for a 5-star review saying, hey, if you liked your product, can you please leave a review? It really helps our business out, and it really makes a difference. So here's the review link, and then they go and they click the review link, and then they can leave that review, which is going to help you guys build credibility, increase your sales ranking, and it's going to drive more traffic, which is going to lead to more sales. So this is why these two softwares are so crucial, is it's going to help you with your entire business. So whether you pick JumpSend or Amazon Mailer, it doesn't matter. They do literally the same exact thing. So like I was saying, they literally advertise the same thing, get reviews on Amazon with automated emails. So now let's go to Amazon Mailer, and right here it says comparison. It actually shows a comparison of other different softwares and compares them to them. The funny thing is it doesn't compare JumpSend, and so that's why I kind of wanted to do this video as well, as to basically compare the pricing and to show the differences between them both. So comparing it to Feedback, Kibly, Feedback 5, and SalesBacker, Amazon Mailer is going to beat it, and so that's one thing that you're going to want to take into account, is if you're looking at any of these, Amazon Mailer is going to beat them with their pricing. So it shows 1,000 emails per month is going to be $19 a month, and then what is it included? Negative feedback alert, optimized email templates, and then premium live chat support, and then unlimited ASINs. So what unlimited ASINs is, it basically means that you can have as many products as you want connected to Amazon Mailer. And a lot of them, like here on Feedback Genius, you have unlimited ASINs, same as Kibly, but Feedback 5 and SalesBacker, you don't. And so that's one thing that JumpSend does, is they limit how many products you are connecting, okay? So that's the biggest difference between Amazon Mailer and JumpSend, is the unlimited ASINs and then basically capping you at emails per month. So that's basically the biggest difference between JumpSend and Amazon Mailer, is you have unlimited email campaigns, but you have a 3-product limit. So that's where you're going to have to decide for your business what is going to be the best. Are you just selling 1 or 2 products that are selling thousands of units each day or each week or each month? then probably JumpSend is going to be a better bet for you. But if you have a bunch of different products that maybe one or two are selling really well, and then you have some others that are basically complementary that add to that product, and you have 20 plus products, then Amazon Mailer might be a better deal for you. So let's go back to Amazon Mailer and the pricing. And I'm just going to kind of show you what I do to basically compare and decide whether or not I want Amazon Mailer or JumpSend. So let's pull out my calculator, and at the startup price it's 19 bucks a month. So, and you get 1,000 emails with unlimited products. So say you have 5 products and you are selling, I don't know, let's say 500, 300 units in total for those 5 products. So what you're going to do is decide, okay, I have 1,000 emails, and each time someone orders my product, I'm going to send them 2 to 3 emails to follow up with them. So let's do 1,000 divided by 3, which is 333 ordered products. So if you are selling less than 333 products each month, then Amazon Mailer is a really good fit for you, because you can have as many products as you want, and the amount of emails that they give you is going to be sufficient. So now you take it to the next level and you start selling a little bit more. You have a 6,000 email limit. So you do 6,000 divided by 3, because each product you're going to be sending 3 emails per product. So 6,000 divided by 3 is 2,000 units. So if you are sending under 2,000 units with Amazon Mailer and you have 20 plus products, then Amazon Mailer is going to be by far the best, cheapest solution for you that is going to provide the most value, okay? So for me, actually I'm going to tell you after I do the JumpSend. We're going to go over to the pricing on the JumpSend. So right here, you have a 3 product limit, but you have unlimited emails. So like I said, if you just have 2 killer products and that's it, and you're sending, and you're basically getting thousands, 5,000 orders a month, then JumpSend is going to be by far the best solution for you, okay? So then you kind of jump up to the next tier, which is Entrepreneur. You have a 10 product limit. And so this is kind of where I'm at, is I'm in between the Entrepreneur and the Business on JumpSend, but then on Amazon Mailer, I'm between the Growth and the Premium. And so that's where I need to basically decide what one is best for me, how many products do I have, what is going to be the best deal for me. So I basically have to decide which service I want. And the best part about it is I can decide, I can cancel any month, switch between the two, and they do the same exact thing. But if you want to save and pay for the yearly plan, you're more than welcome. You can pay 27 bucks a month or 16 bucks a month through the entire year, and you just saved 20%. And same thing with JumpSend, you can save, I think it's up to 30% if you pay yearly. So right here, annual billing, and you can save, and right here, 19 bucks a month, just like Amazon Mailer. So that's kind of what you need to look at, is how many products are you selling, how many orders are you getting per month, and depending on that, you're going to decide between JumpSend and Amazon Mailer. They are by far the 2 best services out there. I use both of them, and I've used both of them. I'm currently using Amazon Mailer just with where my business is at, but as soon as I do continue to grow and I'm sending more emails each month, then I'm going to have to switch and go to Enterprise with JumpSend, just because I'm sending so many emails each month. So that's what you guys need to look at, is what service is going to be best for you. And then also, the best part about it is you have a free trial. With JumpSend, you have a 3-day free trial, and then Amazon Mailer, you have a 14-day free trial. So they're kind of cool. You can basically try each one of them out, and I have a link down below if you guys want to go try the free trials and test to see which one you like better, and then decide for yourself whether you like JumpSend or Amazon Mailer, or you're like me where I'm basically switching back between them both. So I hope this answers some of your questions, and I hope that you guys can now decide which one is going to be best for you. And I also have another video that basically compares and shows you the email templates of how to set it up and basically cross-sell, which increases more sales, and then show you basically my email template that I have set up, so that if someone orders your product, you know what the first email says, then the second email, and then the third email. So if you guys want to see that video, I'm going to include that in the link below as well. And I hope that this answered some of your questions and it brought some value to you. So thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment if you enjoyed. If you have any questions, also leave a comment there. Like this video, and don't forget to subscribe, because I'm dropping weekly videos on how to grow a successful Amazon business, and then I have also some other little fun things in the pipeline as well. So stay tuned, guys, and again, I appreciate all the love and support, and thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.